Okay, so based upon the screenshot what you shared, I have created two Excel files. One is this project tracking. I'll make it as a table. Oops, sorry. So I created some dummy columns based upon the data what you given. So this is first Excel, and this is like my master Excel. So here I have that category and criticality. So this is like your reference and reference Excel. Okay. So this is what we are going to do a lookup, and we will be populating that in the second Excel. So usually we will do through the VLookup. Now instead of doing that VLookup, now we are doing it in Power BI. So as usual, I will go to bring that Excel data. So I'm doing load. Okay, this is your project table. So I'll rename this as project. So I'm taking this another one. This is my master data. So I'll rename it as master. Okay. So from the project to master, we need to create a relationship first. Okay. So I'm using the subsystem column. You can use any other column also. Okay. If there is a similar column with the same header, you would have already created the relationship. So as you see here, the relationship already been created with this. And if you hover on this, you can see it is with the subsystem because the column name is same. Hence it created the relationship here. Now you can go to the master, sorry, project and click on new column. So here we'll say category equals to, you can use coalesce because there might be a possibility of blank also. So let's use related. Now they are related actually. So you can use the masters category. If it is not available in your category, it will give a result like others, or if you want to give default or blank, whatever is fine that you can do. Next, here I need to close this. Remove this. Yeah, so now your category is filled, and similarly create another column for criticality. So criticality, same you do, coalesce, uh, related criticality, close it, and you do some random numbers like no or 0. So it's created accordingly. So this is what you used to do through the lookup. Now it is getting updated automatically. So whenever you update the master Excel or the other Excel, so now they are related. So it will be updated accordingly. So I'm sending out this video. This will be now if you want to project it as a table. Okay, so this is what.